How to add receipt to McDonald's app or how to redeem McDonald's gift card on app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about adding a code or a receipt to a McDonald's app so that you can earn rewards and points from your purchases. So follow the steps for a smooth experience. First of all, you have to open the McDonald's application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. What you have to do is simply tap on More section in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Then you will come across various options. From here, you need to click on My Gift Certificates, that is below the Delete My Account option. Tap on it. Now in this box, enter the gift certificate or code over here and then click on Apply, that is just beside it. And after entering the correct form of your code and submitting it through the app, this ensures that you will receive any associated rewards or points. So congratulations, you have successfully learned how to add a receipt or redeem a code in the McDonald's application. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.